In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Canva background remover to save hours on your designs. Let's get started. I'm starting here on the Canva templates page, where I can see a wide variety of layout options. I'll go ahead and select Facebook post from the Explore section. This brings up several pre-made templates, but I want to start with a fresh canvas, so I'll click on Create a Blank Facebook Post. Once the editor opens up, I'll navigate over to the side menu and click on the Elements tab. From here, I'll select the Photos category to browse through the image library. I'll scroll down through the trending photos until I find the perfect shot. I really like this image of dried flowers in a vase, so I'll click it to add it to my page. With the photo selected, I'll click Edit in the top toolbar and then select the BG Remover tool. It only takes a moment for the magic to happen, and now the background is completely gone. I'll just grab the corner to resize the image and move it over to the side to make room for more. Next, I'll head back to the photo library to find another subject. I'll choose this photo of a person holding a notebook and repeat the process by clicking BG Remover once more. As you can see, it cleanly isolates the person from the background. I'll scale this down and position it on my canvas. For my final element, I'll select this aesthetic flat lay photo. I'll click BG Remover one last time to strip away the pink background. Now that I have my clean cutouts, I can easily rearrange them to create a professional-looking collage in no time. And that is how you can quickly remove backgrounds to create stunning custom designs in Canva.